We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned the only way is to look for buy to put our entry above the top. And I mentioned if the price tag, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours if the price didn't move in our direction. The first time when the price tag, we see the correction, there was a second opportunity to take out the trade. That's why I mentioned we need to see the continuation as a sharp. If it turns to a corrective move, we are not going to keep the trade that because I mentioned we can expect this one turn to a correction relative to this with one more drop, and exactly this is what we get. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we are looking for, and if we move to daily chart, still we are within this correction. And we mentioned the breakout of the 36 cent is very, very important for us. As you can see, the first time the price tag, there was no breakout, even the second times, because we mentioned with the breakout of the 36 cent, as a short term, we can look for 41 following by 48 cent as a target. But beside that, we mentioned, can we expect this one turn to flat as a tree wave in relative to this? And the next drop, simply the price can retest the lowest price of this correction, which is a 15. We don't need to wait for this option, but if we want to look for buy, we should know that we have the second option as what I explained just now. That means if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, if it's not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade without the stop loss. And if I move to forward chart, and we discussed that we can expect this one turn to flat in relative to this, and this is what we get. That's meaning from now, if we get any reversal for buy, we will take it, and we can consider this one as a correction relative to this. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But as I say, we need to see the continuation as a sharp, not the corrective move. If the price moving as a corrective, at least we should have our stop loss. All right. And from what I can see right now is the way is move is really corrective. Still, we can expect this one turn to deeper correction before we get the next move. Then how to look for trade? The first option, either from here, we look for the flag, sharp move flag, we take the trade, or if we get a one more drop and the price tag 25 cents, then from there, any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take the trade. That's mean if you want to, right now, we don't see any trade setup, either for buy or sell, and we are not really interested to look for sell. We want to look for buy, and the only option is to look for the sharp move flag. And having entry above this, I once suggested the only times we can put our entry above this top if the price tag or break 25 cents. Rather than that, we cannot put our entry above this correction. If anyone wants to put the entry above this correction, they can somewhere around 27 cents. But they need to be really careful because of this gap. All right. By the way, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And still we can consider this one in relative to this. And still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. If the price tag 25, no breakout, any reversal, this is the best we can look for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.